Highlight of the day was crude swing plus 2,000 per contract. You see this trade here. Got in at that low. Oftentimes you find out if you get a signal right at the low and it runs, it'll come all the way back and make sure that you did not get that low. So we had that low, came back and filled below that low, but we stayed with this trade because it's a $2,000 profit target, $2,000 stop loss, so plenty of room to run, and we hit that today. Cobra Crude, aggressive and conservative. Captured a small trade a little late on this, 80.97. Got in about where crude swing got out. Exited at 25 points. Not bad for a day trade system in crude oil to capture 25 points. But big move in crude, up 320, up 4% on the day. The Jay Powell confirmation hearing, he sounded a little more dovish today, which I think the stock bulls like, but the commodity bulls also said, well, if the Fed is going to be is going to be dovish, then inflation will persist, and so commodities caught a bid, especially crude oil, and so you see that move up in crude oil, and I think the stock bulls. I think this is a weak rally. Let's go over the results on the day, though. So currently flat with about 2 minutes left in this session, stock session, and 200K portfolio is up $6,500. 50K portfolio is down $980, and we'll go over the trades on that. And let's go over the 50K portfolio. So stock bulls saw it as a continuation of yesterday's rally. I think it could rally a little bit higher before it rolls over. I think 16,000 will be interesting on the Nasdaq, and the E-mini S&P. It's coming into 4,700. I think 4,750 would be interesting on the S&P. But Cobra Crude captured 25 points. Soybean swing, which won, exited a winning trade yesterday, lost today, down down 400 per contract and down 625 on Cobra 3. One of our top strategies got short yesterday at the low, loss, got long at the highest. There was only about a 1 hour trade. There's a wide range chop for the first hour and 15 minutes, then a 1 hour trend, and then choppy, nothing but chop for the last part of the day. So really just 1 hour. Stock market is closing now. Cobra 3 has actually been one of our top performers. Here is what it looks like on a 9 contract basis, going back about since I guess 7 months. You can see here, and so here's what it looks like. So normal pullback in Cobra 3, and so good time to start this or add contracts if you haven't been trading Cobra 3. And we have another about $1,000 drawdown added to our 50K portfolio, which is about 7,200 now. I think I said it wrong yesterday. It was around 6,200, down another 1,000 today. $7,200 drawdown. And so just our normal strategies all hitting a losing streak here recently. Gap continuation reverse has been the biggest culprit, but you know, these markets have been pretty choppy. Even today, you see the trend was only 1 hour long in the Nasdaq in the first hour and 15 minutes, and then the last part of the day was just all chop. So that's the 50K portfolio trades. Let's go over. We said gold was a highlight, or crude oil was a highlight. Gold was also a highlight. Asia Gold 4 hit its profit target today. It had a $1,500 profit target, and it's up $3,100 on the day because it was halfway to that profit target. This is a four contract trade, so $6,000 would be 4 contract profit target, and it was halfway there at the close yesterday. So this indicator down here is the daily P&L, not the trade P&L. So if you see $3,100, that's just for the day's session. Gold reversal, same sort of deal. It was long at the close yesterday, so got out there and hit that profit target. So nice trading in gold. And then we had, let's look at the rest of the metals. No trades in silver, no trades in copper. Soybeans was down on the day. We lost 375 on grains trade trader 3, lost 425 on soybean swing. And so we got short and the market was choppy. So soybeans continues to be a challenging market right now. We had a good winner on soybean swing, and so soybean swing is a pretty good strategy, but soybeans day trader 3 has been a challenging strategy. Copper, no trades. We looked at crude oil, said it was a highlight. Natural gas, no trades. Let's look at the stock indexes. Not a lot of trades. We have EVP1 getting long here at the end of the day. Let's see here. It got short. Got short here. We got caught up in this chop here. Got short early. Stopped out that swing high, and then it eventually grinded higher. So EVP1 long here at the end of the day. We were flat when I showed you the results. Gap continuation 2019 continues to be a very strong strategy. Here it is on a 4-contract basis. And if you take a look, really running up with very little drawdown. So nice trading there. And then we had, let's see, SR counter trend 4 and SR counter trend 2 V2. SR counter trend 2 V2 1M and SR counter trend 2 both hit profit targets plus 825 per contract, plus 775 per contract, and plus 475 per contract here. And then Cobra 3 lost on the day, minus 625. So a tick pullback lost as well, minus 825, I believe, on this per contract. And so ES, Cobra 3 hit its profit target today. Cobra 3 did a good job not getting stopped out. 60-minute breakout had one loser, one winner around break even. 60-minute breakout short. Got short on the day, stopped out that swing high, but ultimately it would have the market reversed anyway. So tick pullback lost on this. Let's look at tick pullback. It got long here, stopped out. So a lot of chop at the beginning of the day. The beginning of the day has been choppy. Tick count trend. That's a nice trade right there on that. Up about 1,500 per contract. And mirror lost on the day, down about 500 per contract here, 525 per contract. So we're seeing a lot of selling at the open. And some days that comes back, and other days it continues down. So last 2 days it's continued higher, and so those are the trades on the day. I believe I got them all. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. 6 trades in the ES today. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in the NASDAQ. So pretty active day. 3 trades in crude oil, no trades in natural gas, gold, 2 trades, exits, and 2 trades in soybeans. So pretty active day today. And it was in our favor overall when you counted all the P&Ls for these. And so stock index, the NASDAQ and S&P and gold and crude oil all did pretty well today. So those are the trades on the day for Tuesday, January the 11th. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.